Hey guys, welcome to the Digital Dog. We're going to have a really exciting unboxing today. Knock, knock, knock. Who's there? What's inside this box? I think it's a big giant teddy bear or a bunch of dolls. No, it can't be. I think it's Daddy's new toy that he's been waiting for. Like electronics, like laptops or iPads or tablets. Could have been the laptop. So what are we waiting? So what are we waiting for? Let's bring out Daddy. Where's Dad? Where's Daddy?
Daddy is here, and we are all set to unbox the most exciting stuff we ever had. So what we are going to unbox is still a mystery, but this is the most expensive electronic item we have ever bought. And seeing is believing, and we are going to do the soon a very exciting unboxing as the babies explained that the daddy's favorite new toy. So what's this new toy and what's inside the box? We will let you know. Keep tuned to the Digital Dog. So let's go what's inside the box. So quite a long way for the babies also and for all of them. So let me open it. Wow! So this is the box, the front of the box. This is the Alienware 51NR2 with a 1 TB SSD, which is the upgrade, and later I will tell you what are the options we are going to opt and what we selected and what we didn't select and how we made this customized laptop, customized gaming laptop and a high performance laptop, and one of the best right now currently which the market is having. So this is a new Alienware 2021 and the world's most powerful and overclockable gaming laptop with NVIDIA and AMD graphics featuring up to the 10th generation Intel Core 2 i9K processor. Would you believe when I say K? K means there is something to show. So this is the unboxing of our new laptop. Wow, look at the massive packing. And the lunar light color, the dark side of the moon and the lunar light, because we have picked up the lunar light. So this is the one which is the lunar option which we have selected. So if we can have a close look on the box and we can see, and first of all let me show you that this is the lunar light, and if we can show the cam over this area specifically, we can show the lunar color, this which is almost a grayish silver tone, while in the dark side of the moon it is total black. So the core to the i9K. So most of you will be trying to figure it out that what do you mean by the K. So K means the overclockable. Sometimes you can see in front of the CPU when you say Core 2 i9, Core 2 i7, it's written K. Sometimes it's written U. Sometimes it's P. Sometimes it's M. So what the letter K denotes? When the K means it's overclockable. I mean it's the threshold level where it can go beyond that. K means the overclockable, and when you go for the letter HQ, this designation is the same which shows the H in the CPUs means many of those, the higher power chips, they will show the Q. And when you go for the U stands for the, U denotes, for example, Core 2 i7, U means it's the ultra power, or the ultra power, it will consume the less energy and the energy efficient laptop it will be. But the K model, those are the overclockable and the highest of all. And then if I go, I move to the next, it is the P. When the CPU shows the P, have some interesting figures where you see a chip, or the P indicates a desktop processor, and sometimes it say the G. G is for the graphics built from the Intel's biggest non-competitor, Intel's the AMD advanced micro devices. It always shows at that time what it denotes to. So this is the one laptop which is in the disguise, and what more I can tell you, it's one of the best machines I had ever had in my life. So it's a little bit heavyweight. If you can see, I will tell you at the end what its weight, or I will tell you exactly configuring it out on the box that how much it weighs. So the height, the frontal area is 27.65 millimeters, which is the peak 44 millimeters, and from the rear it is 31.8 millimeters, and width you can see already is 402.60 millimeters, and the lengthwise it is 319.14, and its weight about 4.1 kg. So a little bit on the heavier side, but obviously when you are demanding for a laptop which is more than your desktop, so obviously you will have to pay price, or you have to compromise a little bit on the sum of the ends. So here you compromise on the weight, because when you go to the overclockable Intel chip and to the desktop chip, so at that time you will have to pay price. With the laptop which is more powerful than your any of the existing desktops around the globe, I challenge that when you challenge your laptop, you are grading it above the desktop levels, you will have to give it more weightage. So its weight is officially 4.1 kg, or approximately 9.04 pounds. And let's put it here. And what's this? This is the booklet. Let me figure out things what we are having inside the box. If we can see the box here, this is the Alienware 51MR2, the top level laptop with the gaming modifications. I will tell you which modification we have done, and these are all the warranty cards for the Dell which they have given, and this is containing the super bright LED and the upgraded graphic cards we are using for. And what more, I will let me tell you that what more you can see in this 51MR2 laptop. So let me put the box on the side. And now let me have the laptop. So here you can have a look from the front. First of all, world's most powerful and overclockable gaming laptop. And as I told you, the processor is unlocked, can be clocked at a higher speed if a user wants to overclock it. All the CPUs without the K designations are locked. They cannot be overclocked. This is the only one which can be overclocked. This is what I told you that the K signifies. So the next thing, operating system available with Windows 10. Home gaming is better than ever on the Windows 10 with the games in the 4K DirectX 12 and streaming the gameplay, and the breaking the new benchmarks again. The world's most powerful laptop just got an upgrade with an extraordinary desktop level processing power, CPU and GPU upgradability. This is the only laptop which I may assure you that you will not believe, which is upgradable. Yes, believe me, this is an upgradable laptop which you can upgrade just like a desktop. If you want later on to add on some things, of course you can add. So let me show you the base, how it exists. Just see the double fans for the gaming laptop which can never make it efficiency down, which will never put it down, and all the fans cooling it down, whatever the top level game you are into the gameplay like Call of Duty or the other game you are in. Advanced cooling system, which is the premium cooling system with a revolutionary design. Alienware 51MR2 is a true desktop gaming experience in the form of laptop. So what more I may tell you. 51RM2 features a host of first for the peak performance and power, first ever laptop, which is the 10th generation Core 2 i9K, which sports up to the 125 watts of power and 10 core desktop CPU options, giving it to the whole new level of compute power versus other gaming laptops. So greater graphics and the gameplay experience vivid uninterrupted gaming and faster frame rates during the high powered gameplay thanks to the again overclockable NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, and for the first time in the 51M now featuring 360 Hz full high definition display option. So this is what I have taken right now, the upgrade in this. My upgrade shows the 360 Hz screen we have taken, and also the Tobii Eye technology. What is Tobii Eye technology? I will go ahead and I will show you up. Tobii Eye technology means when you are approaching the target in the Call of Duty or some high level games, when you are seeing the enemies, wherever you are seeing the enemies in the forest, the Tobii Eye technology, it will read your eyes and the pupil where it is moving towards the enemy, and it will make your hunt easy. This is something amazing and unbelievable, that this is a Tobii Eye technology upgraded laptop. More than this, this is also a NVIDIA G-Sync graphic card, which is the upgrade in this customized laptop. And the one more upgrade, as I told you, the full high definition, the screen of the laptop with the 360 Hz is the upgrade, and the basic laptop 51RM2, which also I do believe it comes in 5,500 or 5,600 bucks. I mean just below $6,000. But for this laptop, where the extra money is going on the upgrades, one of the most important upgrade, we have taken the SSD of 1000 megabytes or 1 TB, because originally it was 512. So these are the stuff which I was showing you up. The massive memory of the 51MR2 is also Alienware's first gaming laptop to support up to the 64 GB of DDR4 memory at 2933 MHz and 32 GB of DDR4 memory at 3200 Hz. And this ensures enough that RAM for even the most resource intensive workloads and tasks, making it ideal for the gaming developers, content creators, mega tasking streamers. And I told you, so when you are doing these heavy works, you need obviously the coolants. So having the advanced cooling performance updates, 51RM2 features all new engineering efforts to increase the thermal capacity and the performance, offers the 3 different cooling solutions and power management techniques based on your graphics selection. And each of these features is engineered to enable the higher wattage requirements for the updates. Higher efficient voltage, as I told you, and the vapor chamber cooling underneath the technology, which uses the advanced methods to efficiently dissipate the heat from extreme performance graphic options. These chambers over here utilize the phase changing nature of the liquids to transfer heat more effectively than a solid piece of metal or copper underneath the heat pipes. And the vapor chambers are more versatile. Just see the build, and then the copper heat pipes, how beautifully they are adjusted and how refined and neat looking they are. They can be spread evenly across an entire chip that needs to be cooled on the entire side. 10% larger fan blades than the previous generation of the 51RMT, available on both NVIDIA and the AMD options. But we have selected the NVIDIA options, which is ensuring the high performance graphic cards receiving the enhanced cooling when the action heats up in your game. So we are going to see an iconic design with a modern edge in the 51MR2, and here we are going to open it right in front of you as we have unboxed it. So in the unboxing, another step, we are going to open it, and the Alienware Area 51MR2 raises the bar for the innovative engineering with its game-changing design, and the visual identity was inspired by their industrial designs marking a return form which takes the cues from their original roots. Wow! Something which is more than a laptop. And if we can see the keyboard buttons and just the handling of the, if you can press and you can see the underneath, the feel of the buttons, you can see, and just the logo and the chip they have showing the Core 2 i9 reflects the diverse evolving nature of the gamers everywhere, incorporating high contrast performing focused engineering with blended bold lines, angled sections, bold lighting and celebrated thermals, and making it one of the best laptops. And now we are going to make it on. I'm not sure it is charged or not. Luckily, if we have some remaining battery. So first we gonna make it on the Alienware, but I think the battery has run out. So why not to unbox the battery box and the charger. You can see they're beautifully designed along with the parallel along the laptop. There we can see the box. If you can show the box from the up, you can see the wires, charging wires, and this much you can expect for the Alienware batteries and the Alienware chargers. You can expect something like this, which you could have never imagined that the laptop can have that much heavy battery. But of course, this gaming giant and this gaming wizard, we were already expecting it to be this much big. So we have finally put the things with the socket. So might be by remaining in the box for some long days, as I was busy in my job, couldn't unbox it, and might be the battery may weird out. So after a pretty decent charging, now we are going to click it, open, and let's see. Yes, you can see the RGB lighting. If you can come close, have a closer look of the RGB lighting. And this is one of the best feature of the Alienware gaming laptop. And the bold lighting, the latest evolution of lighting features a striking ring of light at the rear of the system. If I can show you, just see, have a look on the rear of the system. And this is what I wanted to show you. The high rating system performance while maintaining the ultimate customizability. Just look at the back, having the benchmark of Alienware and RGB lighting on the front, making it easy for the gamers to stroll around when they are busy in the game, when no time in shooting, and means no time wasted in killing the opponents by recognizing immediately the keys. So what next? Premium shell, the unique magnesium alloy exoskeleton enables enhanced rigidity while reducing the overall classic weight. This allows more space for the high performance components inside the machine. Dual color options, gamers can choose between the new futuristic look. As I told you that this is the lunar light and the other color is dark side of the moon. And previously I have told you that we have taken the matching mouse for the lunar light and we have not selected the mouse which is the dark side of the moon. So anyways, we were not towards the black color, so that's why we rejected the black side of the dark side of the moon and we went for the lunar light options because the dark side of the moon is a more traditional appearance. We want to have some futuristic look, and this lunar light, if you can look carefully, the colors and the cream panel, the silver panel, the grayish look, this is the more futuristic, the space look which first ever time Alienware has given. Before they were giving only the dark side of the moon. So now what next? I will tell you about the game enhancing features. Advanced keyboard you can see with the Alienware Tact X keyboard and key rollover technology, which enables over 108 commands for the key commands for the maximum actions per minute, and 1.7 millimeters of the key travel allows for rapid response for any keystroke you made. Per key, Alien FX lighting delivers customizable lighting profiles. I mean, you can adjust up to 4 to 6 customized lighting profiles, so whoever user is coming, they are having their own light setup which not be disrupted by using by the previous user. While programmable macro keys let you create gaming and non-gaming shortcuts for over 150 gaming titles. There are shortcuts in this keyboard. 2.5 GPS killer Ethernet. The Area of 51MR2 features up to the 2.5 Gbps of the bandwidth over a killer E3000 Ethernet port, providing gamers up to the 2.5x the amount of bandwidth available in common. Would you believe? Connections for the blazing fast file transfers. Thunderbolt Type-C port. This multi-use port is ready to be used as a USB 3.1 port, offering, if you can see on the sides, offering you, here we go, 3.1 port offering 10 Gbps of data transfer. A Thunderbolt connections at the back capable of 40 Gbps, or even a display port enabling various monitors supporting the display port protocol. Enhanced storage. Area 51MR2 can support up to the 4 SSDs if you want to if you want to advance it for the massive storage and redundancy options with RAID 5 capabilities, giving you added performance and security to ensure your files are always safe and available. What an amazing features. Here every battle cry in the game, every soldier die in the game, feel it on your fingers in this laptop. Experience the best in the class speakers for the laptops. If here you go have a closer look on the speakers, the best ever speakers for the laptops which have been designed in this Alienware. High-end headphone support delivers outstanding fidelity, while far field audio improves the microphone performance when you are speaking online with the other gamers. Advanced eye tracking, which I was telling you, the next generation Tobii eye tracking technology adds a completely a new form of immersion to your game. Smaller sensors, wake up capabilities, enable features and sensitivity to the track head pose, face ID, presence, the fine gaze and the eye position. They will read out your senses in the game before you speak out, and before your brain can think, it will respond to your eye position. Enhanced interactions. UI elements fade when not making eye contact, so you can get deeper into the game. Characters know when you are looking at them and they will respond accordingly, and characters will be knowing at that time when you are not looking at that very segment of the game. They will be knowing that you are not involved this time in the game at this site. So this is something extraordinary for me. New tracking tools. Learn, train, improve using eye tracking. Enable tools designed to measure your minimap awareness in the game. Help you learn when to pay attention to the clock. Time is running. It will give you the alerts according to your lenses, to your eyes, that when the clock will show you the hint, and to the pay attention. Software support, show viewers where you are looking while streaming your favorite game. Tobii Ghost software supports all major streaming platforms and software, and toggle between the visualization like heat maps, shadow, spotlights using the extension, and no longer need to move your mouse to show viewers what you are talking about. Just glance at it, view it. Just if I want to tell you about, if you didn't understand, in short, for example, you are giving the presentation, you want to show the users about the certain specific area with the mouse, by clicking it over the mouse, that this is the area you want to enhance or to speak about or to show the viewers the pros and cons. You don't need to. You have the beast in front of you. With this beast only, whatever you want to tell the viewers or to tell the other gamers, look upon it. It will read with your lens and it will deliver your message during your presentations, that where you are focused and what you want to tell. No need of further pointers, no need of mouse moving, and no need of moving on the ring of the mouse to track the mouse cursor to the right or left. only move the gestures, right, left, up, down. This is what 2BI technology, and this is what this gaming beast boasts for. Again, having a closer look on the speakers and the keyboard, I will tell you about something for the lighting. Save the new themes, assign them to your games, edit peripheral settings with your new Alien FX hardware, software features supporting the full RGB values up to the 16.8 million colors, making it the first ever laptop in the world to create this kind of lighting. Included is a new user interface to the map and create new system level effects, so you can manage the lighting and settings from the same controls. Select system and hardware also offer settings for individual or group keyboard key colors, as I told you. And last but not the least, the biggest thing which I'm going to tell you, you will be amazed, is a Alienware Mobile Devices Connect. Wow, take a bow. Alienware Mobile Connect creates advanced, complete and wireless integration between your PC, iOS and Android smartphone. Enjoy your iOS or Android smartphone functionality through your Alienware PC's mouse, keyboard and touchscreen. Make or take calls, send and receive text messages, access your contacts, get mobile notifications on Android, mirror your phone screen onto your PC for interactive engagement with any of your smartphone apps. Whatever you want to do on your mobile device, the messages, the calls, the video calls, anything with a one-step integration, this beast Alienware Area 51RM2. So this beast converts your 51MR2 instantly into your mobile device. And now, if you can proceed a little bit, and we can move forward in this window and we can see the setup. And now if you have a look on the touchpad, if you can come nearby and we can just see the touch sensors of the mouse pad, the matching RGB colors, as the screen is going to be the blue. If we can see the blue screen, the matching RGB lighting will automatically shut off, making all the keyboard turning into the blue, and the amazing keypad also into the blue color. If you can have a close look, if we can see clearly, it can come.
Last step for these settings, choose whether or not you want your ads to be more relevant to you.
So just listen the ambience of the speakers, how loud and how clear they are, instantly hidden over there at the bases of the front. And this, see the ambience, the color blue matches with this, and this is the first ever laptop also having the colored tracked keypad with a bold lighting matched with the keyboard lighting colors. So what next? I want to see when we are playing with the colors. I also want to show you another accessory, which is the mouse, Alienware special mouse 610MA, which we have already unboxed. You can see in my channel, the link is already there. Just see the matching RGB lighting has been made, and this is true for the matching of the gaming laptop, Alienware mouse 610M. And you can see we are having here again two options in the color, the dark side of the moon and the lunar light. So again, we have selected the lunar color because we wanted to match it with our laptop and the laptop base. So this is the one you want to match up. That's why we picked this mouse. And now at the end, I want you to show the most interesting part, and the part which most of the gamers and most of the users are looking for, that they are always blaming or claiming sometimes that why we are not having the enough ports, the card readers, this port, blah blah, that port, HDMI cable. Some laptops are missing some of the cables, some of the ports, but this beast, do believe me, name the port and it's in the laptop. So come back at the panel and I will show you what I mean. Look clearly now at the back. Let me make it straight for you. And now you have a clear look. If we can see this part, we can have this part, and we can see on the sides one media card reader, 2x type A USB, 3.2 general 1 port, 3 HDMI 2 output with the HDCP 2.2 output port, sports direct drive VR interfaces, mini display port, 1.4 output port, sports NVIDIA G-Sync, 5 RG 45 killer Ethernet in the center, E3000 for the killer network, which supports up to the 10 by 100 by 1000 Mbps, 2.5 Gbps port, 6 Alienware graphics amplifier port, dual DC power inputs in which you can see one ring light and one the straight to enhance the power. And we can see if in the booklet they are showing, let me show you where they are showing. If you can show me what is the function of both, just see. And here if you can see, they are showing that why these two ports are necessary. It will make the system, Shaviz will tell us that why it will make and the powerful. Yes, Shaviz, if you can explain up.
Okay, so over here we got one power supply and cable, which basically means it will not really max out its power. And in the second picture, there is two power supplies with two plugs, which will basically enhance and max out the experience for the power.
And next we can go the dual DC power inputs and the wedge-shaped lock slot, Thunderbolt 3 port, which supports USB 3.2, General 2 and display port 1.2, Type A USB there on the sides. Here port with a power share technology, audio out you can take out for your home theater, although it's already having a very strong sound system, and this is compatible mic headset. So this is all what you have in the system. And Shaviz, you were telling me something about the G-Sync and the NVIDIA technology. I think which one is the number which has been used in this? 2980, right? The graphic card. So let me tell you, the one of the best things, it's the 17.3 full high definition, and the upgrade we have taken 360 Hz with a G-Sync lighting, and the NVIDIA RTX 2080 Super is the card. Shaviz, how it works, the 2080 Super, if you want to compare with the other card, how it is better? You were telling me some new generations and the old generations 2050. So is it better than the 2050 and 2060?
Yeah, well, obviously, definitely, but it's definitely better than all of 20 series graphics card. Yes. And
the 2070 was the one which you were seeing usually on the market. The most strongest laptops they were having the 2070, and now this 2080 is having a shining colors in this laptop, ultimately leaving nothing empty in this laptop. So this laptop, what we have done the unboxing for the Alienware R51M, is the true gaming machine you can boast of. And now the most interesting part, the price of this laptop. As I told you, there are several laptops I have seen, but this is the most expensive customized laptop which I ever bought. So once you are going for it, you have to see for your needs, if you need it, what you need to upgrade, what you don't need to upgrade, and how long you are looking for to keep the laptop with you. Because this laptop, modified laptop, currently in the US and Canada market is worth $6,250. So quite an expensive machine, not a machine which you can buy out daily. And but if you don't want to customize it, if you want don't go in for the graphic cards, the lower graphic card, or if you don't want to go to the 360 Hz, if you want to get rid of the Tobii Eye technology, or if you want to get rid of the G-Sync, NVIDIA G-Sync, and if you want to get rid of the 1 TB SSD, and you are good to go with a 512, then I think you can easily finish up somewhere in between $5,000 and $5,500. Roughly, I will say you might be $5,250. You can finish up this machine. But if you want to move on with the accessories, then the accessories are always extra. About $130 to $140 they are in the market. Whether you go, now there is one interesting fact that if you want to go with the dark side of the moon, that is about $20 to $25 cheaper than the lunar light. If you want to go to the lunar light, you can understand that you are paying something about 15 to 18 bucks extra in a mouse. But in the laptop, whether you are going to the dark side of the moon or whether you are going to the lunar light, in both the positions, in both the colors, it's the same. So this is it from the digital dock, and next time when I will come, we will come with some new exciting unboxing, or might be not the unboxing, we will be unleashing one of the exciting vehicles. But still, fingers crossed, what next coming up. Till then, we say you goodbye, take care, and bye-bye.
Hey guys, welcome to digital dock. Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Dock, and we're gonna be doing another exciting unboxing. And we just saw this box. What's this? Hey guys, welcome to the Digital Dock, and today, hi guys, welcome back to the Digital Dock.